Hello, my name is Daniel Duque, and today I am going to talk about strategies to teach syntactic linkage. We are going to talk about how to teach person, gender, and number. First, we are going to talk about number. There are two types of number that are singular and plural, as you can see in this presentation. There are word types such as nouns, pronouns, determiners, and verbs. Nouns in singular could be flower, one example, and in plural, flowers. Pronouns he, and plural they. Singular determiners this, in plural those. Verbs am in singular and are in plural. Now I am going to explain the strategies or methods that I would apply to teach these two categories of words in nouns, pronouns, determiners, and verbs. In my opinion, the most appropriate strategies to teach this could be graphic organizers and providing feedback. This is because graphic organizers help us to make a summary about the topics that we are studying, and this also improves the creativity in students and allows them to understand that in a funnier way that would be better for them, and it makes that more interesting. Also, if we apply feedback strategy, that could help them to understand how to improve their mistakes. They probably could have doubts about the different types of words like nouns, pronouns, determiners, and verbs. But if we help them giving comments and tips to improve, that could be very good for them. Okay, now we are going to talk about person. Person could be understood as the references about the participants in a specific events, right? So as you can see here, there are three types of persons in syntactic linkage that are first person, second person, and third person. What is each one? First person is the speaker or the writer. The second person is the addressed, and the third person are others that use pronouns like he, she, or it. Now I am going to tell you the strategies to apply in order to teach person in syntactic linkage. Okay, I would select two strategies that I think that are very helpful to teach this. That the first one is called modeling. Modeling, what is modeling? Modeling is tell what to do and show how to do that. It is important to explain students what are the differences between those types of persons, and I would assign a specific activity for them in order to create examples using all of the types of persons and obviously I would present my own examples and addressing mistakes that I would apply that strategy while I am presenting my own examples in order to show them what they have to do, sorry, and why and also what they don't have to do. Finally, I am going to talk about gender. Gender occurs in nouns, pronouns, articles, and even in adjectives, which can be defined as masculine, feminine, and neutral. There are some examples here. The first one, man and boy, feminine, woman and girl, and neutral, person or child. Yes, and that is all. Now I am going to tell you how I would teach this. The strategies that I have chosen are class discussion and cooperative learning that are a bit similar, but I would generate a conversation, a collaborative conversation, maybe with brainstorming, asking for examples of words using each type of gender. And then I would create a class conversation about that, and they would be working together with me. That is all for this video. I hope you have understood everything. It was very interesting to talk about this topic, and thank you for your attention. Goodbye.